Every year, many people are injured while excavating around buried services, both known and unknown. These accidents can lead to severe consequences, not only for individuals, but also for infrastructure. Following safe digging procedures, as outlined in HSG 47, and relevant training is essential to avoid these risks. Buried services include underground pipes, cables, and equipment associated with electricity, gas, water, telecommunications, and other pipelines carrying petrochemical and similar fluids. The risks of damaging these services are significant. Electric cables. Electricity can arc over small distances, and crushing cables can break their insulation. Gas mains. Damage can cause fire, explosions, or asphyxiation in confined spaces. Water pipes. High-pressure water jets can harm people, create projectiles, and flooding can destabilize the ground. Even if injuries don't occur, there may be heavy fines or repair bills from utility companies. The 3-step inspection process. Desktop study. Gather as much information as possible from local authorities, landowners, and utility companies. However, remember that drawings only provide indicative locations of buried services. Visual inspection on site. Spend time identifying clues of buried services. Look beyond the immediate dig area for manhole covers, gully gratings, reinstated trenches or road scars, marker posts, telecom boxes and valve covers, cable detection. Use a cable avoidance tool, CAT scanner, and signal generator to locate buried services before and during the excavation process. Using a CAT scanner. CAT scanners offer 4 modes of operation. Avoidance mode. Start with this for an initial sweep of the area. Follow with detailed scans using other modes, for example, CAT 4+. Power mode, P, detects live cables with current flowing through them. Radio mode, R, sends a radio signal that bounces back off metallic objects. Be aware that this mode can also pick up other metal objects like rebar or steel toe caps. Signal mode, S, used with a signal generator clamped to visible parts of services like streetlight columns. The generator sends a signal along the service, which the scanner detects. Note: none of these modes can detect plastic, clay, or fibre optics. Always consider this limitation and use alternative methods to locate such materials. Starting work safely. Before starting any excavation, maintain distance. Never use an excavator within 500 mm of a suspected service. Get a permit. Ensure all required permits are issued and briefed to everyone involved. Be trained. Only trained and competent workers should undertake these tasks. Conduct a full CAT and Jenny scan before breaking ground and continue scanning as the excavation progresses. Use insulated spades and tools to carefully expose buried services and confirm their exact positions. Never dig directly over a suspected service. For deeper excavations, continue scanning regularly as outlined in HSG 47. If your desktop study indicates there may be a service but it hasn't been located, dig a trial trench by hand to confirm the service's location. Proceed carefully, excavating in shallow layers. Ensure the operator and banksman monitor for evidence of disturbed ground. Sand surrounds marker tape. If any service is uncovered, stop immediately and contact the utility company. Always assume services are live unless confirmed otherwise by the owner. Working around buried services requires vigilance, training, and strict adherence to safety protocols. Taking shortcuts can result in severe consequences for workers and infrastructure. By following these procedures, you can ensure the safety of yourself, your team, and the surrounding community.